Welcome to all. In this video, we'll explore how this breakthrough technology is reshaping the future of energy. Imagine a device so advanced it can power your home, a village, or even a spacecraft for 10 years, without a single drop of fuel. This isn't a concept from a sci-fi movie. This is real, and it's called the micronuclear generator. As the global population grows, so does our demand for electricity. Current energy sources, like fossil fuels, contribute to pollution and climate change. Even renewable energy sources like solar and wind have their limitations. What happens on a cloudy day or when the wind stops blowing? We need a power solution that is reliable, sustainable, and scalable. That's where micronuclear generators come in. Micronuclear generators are small, portable devices that use nuclear technology to generate electricity. Unlike traditional nuclear power plants, these generators are compact, operate autonomously, and are designed to work safely for up to a decade without maintenance or refueling. They rely on a fascinating process known as radioactive decay, but don't worry, they're completely safe. Let's dive deeper into how they work. At the heart of a micronuclear generator is a small amount of radioactive material, such as plutonium-238 or strontium-90. These materials naturally emit heat through a process called radioactive decay. This heat is then converted into electricity using thermoelectric generators, devices that transform temperature differences into electrical energy. This generator can run continuously for up to 10 years or more without any interruptions. So, why is this technology so exciting? Here are the key benefits. 1. Long lifespan. These generators can operate for 10 years or more without needing any maintenance or refueling. That's a decade of uninterrupted power. 2. No fuel required. Unlike coal or gas plants, micronuclear generators don't consume any fuel during operation, making them eco-friendly. 3. Compact and versatile. Their small size makes them ideal for remote areas, disaster zones, and even spacecraft. 4. Safe operation. These generators are designed with multiple layers of shielding to prevent radiation leaks, making them incredibly safe to use in civilian and industrial applications. Micronuclear generators have an incredible range of applications. 1. Remote areas. Imagine a rural village without access to power grids. A single micronuclear generator could provide electricity for years, improving quality of life and boosting economic opportunities. 2. Space exploration. NASA already uses similar technology in space missions. Devices like the Mars rover are powered by radioactive isotopes, ensuring they can function in the harsh environment of space. 3. Smart cities of the future. As urban areas grow, reliable energy sources are critical. Micronuclear generators could serve as backup power for smart grids or even replace traditional energy sources entirely. 4. Disaster zones. After natural disasters like earthquakes or hurricanes, these generators can provide immediate, reliable power for emergency operations and rebuilding efforts. Whenever we talk about nuclear technology, safety is a common concern. But rest assured, micronuclear generators are designed to be incredibly safe. 1. Shielding. Multiple layers of protective materials prevent any radiation leaks. In fact, the radiation levels outside the device are lower than what we experience naturally in our daily lives. 2. Minimal waste. These generators produce very little radioactive waste, and what's left can be safely stored or recycled. 3. Built for security. Advanced systems ensure that the device cannot be tampered with or misused, making them a reliable option for various environments. Micronuclear generators represent a revolutionary leap in energy technology. They offer a glimpse into a future where power is clean, reliable, and widely accessible. As this technology develops, it has the potential to transform how we power our homes, cities, and even our space missions. If you enjoyed learning about micronuclear generators, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts in the comment box. Thank you for watching.